Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download an VPN application in iPhone for free. So in this case I'm going to download Hotspot Sealed. Okay, let's go to Hotspot VPN. Okay, so let's click download. Okay, so download is complete. Open. Okay, so we are in this screen, and most of the time when you come to this screen you thought this application is paid one and you go back, and you thought this is all only for paid members, but this is not the case. On the top you can see this close button is there. Click there. Okay, and just click connect. Click allow. It might take some time. Okay, so now it's connected, and you can tap on the bottom for premium feature, but if you don't want to use any premium feature or want to pay for this app, then also you can use it free. So that's all guys. Likewise you can use Hotspot Sealed VPN for free. So thanks for watching the video guys.